Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Heavy storms across tropical Queensland are beginning to ease, but as the burning sun starts breaking through the clouds onto the rising floodwaters, humidity will become intense and the mozzie's insane. Overnight rainfalls. Ingham scored the biggest this time, 165 millimetres. It's all moving north. Cardwell, 155. Cardwell Range, I should say. Paluma had 151 and Gairloch 145. A sample of today's temperatures, only 28 the top for Townsville, thanks to rain, but humidity's right up there near 100%. The range at Charters Towers was 24 to 31. On the satellite loop, there are two main bands of rain at the moment wrapped around the monsoonal low, which is now well and truly overland across the Northern Territory. The first band is coming through across the Gulf country, some heavy falls there. We've got a secondary band across the far north Queensland Kasserry coast, which you can see that thick band there. It's gradually moving north, so the Townsville area is starting to loosen up with the rain a little bit, while the concentration is further north. And over coming days, it will start shifting west into western Queensland. On today's chart, we've have got that monsoon trough in pretty much the same place. It's drifted a little bit north since yesterday, though, crosses the coast somewhere around Cape York, and there's the main monsoon low, now well and truly overland, just across the Gulf country where the heaviest falls are. Of course, the convergence zone, the main one, has been north of Townsville today and south of Cairns. And in the southeast, of course, some very high humidity with the winds going around to the northeast. On tomorrow's chart, you see how the monsoon trough starts to move west. That'll take the focus of rain away from the tropics. And then on the outlook chart, it'll start to be mainly western Queensland that gets the rain. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Townsville waters. Winds blowing pretty much straight onshore for the next 3 days, around 10 to 15 knots most of the time, but occasionally reaching 20 knots for brief periods. As the moon waxes to first quarter this Sunday, our tidal range should start to settle down, and tomorrow our morning high tides will move to the afternoon. The Herbert and Noel Burdekin, a flood warning for the upper Herbert River, 60% chance of showers, still possible storms. Townsville 26 to 32, that's ugly. Ayr also 32 and Ingham 33. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, showers and storms with some heavy falls in the north. Charters Towers 22 to 33 degrees and Georgetown 32. Looking ahead for Townsville, a period of intense tropical humidity lies ahead as the sun starts to break holes through the clouds and evaporate all the puddles, sultry days and hot, steamy nights. That's all I have for you on this last Wednesday of January. Time to get screened up if you haven't already. Otherwise, the mozzies will pick you up and carry you away. Catch you tomorrow night, same channel. And I do hope you sleep well in the meantime. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for your company. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, if you missed anything or you'd like to see one of our stories again, you can catch our replay over on 7/2. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.